Purity is the best deed possible, and nothing can be more pure than cold-pressed oils. So Lakshmi Industrial Equipments has brought for you the Multiseed oil extraction machine, which maintains the quality and extracts oil by making full use of the raw material. That's why whether it is coconut, sesame, peanut, mustard, castor, sunflower, cashew or almond, your best option to extract oil from any nut or seed is Lakshmi Industrial Equipments Multiseed oil extraction machine. Our machines has high power, consumes less energy, and they extract full oil with one stroke. Our machines come with different power options for different requirements, and they are user-friendly with comfortable size. And adopt Lakshmi Industrial Equipments. Choose Lakshmi Industrial Equipments and choose purity with quality.